Greetings from RadiusTheme. Today I will show you how to use variation swatches for WooCommerce. It is a very powerful WooCommerce plugin that allows us to add variation of color, size and many attributes easily. Rather than the default drop-down fields, we can display our product variation in labels, color and images. AppSumo is offering a lifetime deal for $49 only. This plugin is highly compatible with themes and can be used in archive pages. Using Image Tooltip entice customers dynamically. Describe your product details in an attractive way with Text Tooltip. You can use a single tooltip to allow a single attribute anytime. You can use dual color variation for dual color products. Create color swatches in detail pages. Also, you can create image variation for detail pages too. For individual product, you can create button or label variation. Then radio variation swatches for individual product details. From WooCommerce setting, we can display rounded or square variation swatches. We can limit swatches or add more swatches link. We can display the product in quick view lightboxes. We can customize variation for each products. Also blur or hide stock out product. Generation variation link. Improve loading performance. With affordable plans, buy from RadiusTheme or AppSumo deal now. Let's see a demo of variation swatches for a product. Right now, we are seeing a product category with variation swatches. We can see how the rounded button changes color as we click it. Now let's check a product detail page. We can see many attributes with swatches. We will create that in few minutes. After purchasing the plugin, let's see how to install it. Go to Plugins tab from WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Then type variation swatches for Woo in search bar. Install variation swatches by RadiusTheme. Wait few seconds to install. Then activate the plugin. After activating the free plugin, we will upload the Variation Swatches Pro plugin we have purchased. Go to Plugins tab again and click Add New. Now click Upload Plugin. Then upload the .zip file and click Install Now. Then activate it. Great, we are done with the installation. Now we will check all the useful settings of the plugin. Click Settings tab below Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. As we can see, the plugin enables a Product Variation Swatches Settings tab. Under General Settings, we can enable Tooltip, swap rounded shape to square shape for swatches. Convert default drop-down into buttons. Change image attribute size into predefined size and also custom sizes. Change tooltip image sizes. Then we have Advanced tab. We can clear any selected attribute. Change Ajax variation threshold. Disable out of stock for product variation swatches attribute. Generate URL for individual variation attribute. Enable blur with cross or no cross or we can hide it. Then we can customize the style of swatches from Style tab. We can choose Tooltip background, Tooltip text color, attribute border color, text color, background color, and similarly all the elements of hover color also. Then check the archive or shop settings. We can enable swatches for shop and archive from here. Change swatches position, swatches alignment. Enable tooltip for archive, show clear link, change item width and height. Then from Tools tab we can control the plugin's performance. Don't forget to add the license key from License tab. Otherwise, we will miss the updates and support. Now let's jump into the walkthrough to create the variation swatches for a WooCommerce product. Go to Attributes from WooCommerce Product tab. Create a color attribute with name and slug and choose the type as color. Then add attribute. Great. Now we will add the swatches. Click Configure for color attribute. Now type a color name and slug. Then select color. Then choose a tooltip and text, button or image format. Upload the image and add new color. Great. Now we will add another color but in dual color mode. Simply again write the name and slug of the color. Then add the first color. Then enable dual color. And add the second color. Then add the tooltip image. Then click Add New Color. Similarly we can add as many color in this way. Now we will add the size attribute. Go to Attributes and type the name as size, also add slug and add new attribute. Select the Type as button. Click Add Attribute. Now, we will configure the size attribute. Add a size name and then slug and click Add New Size. Similarly add other sizes too. Now we will add our last attribute as pattern for the product. Go to Attribute and add pattern as name and slug. Select Type as image. Add this attribute. Then configure pattern. Add solid as a pattern name. Choose an image of the product as a tooltip. Add another pattern name as raglan. And choose tooltip image as raglan product. And add new pattern. Now we are done with all the attributes and swatches. We will add this to our new product. Click Add New Product. We will create a variable swatches for t-shirt. Give a name and then add the details of the product. Choose product data as variable product. Then choose color attribute from the drop-down and click Add. Then check Used for variations. Click Select All. Save attributes. Then add another attribute size. Now add the last attribute pattern. Great. After adding attribute, we will create variations to swatches. Add variation from all attributes from the drop-down and click Go. Choose a color and left size as any size and choose pattern as solid. Similarly for add a dual color and keep size as any size and choose pattern as raglan. Save changes. Similarly add other variations in this way with color and pattern keeping the size to any size. Then for each variation we need to add image and price. Add other variations image and price in this way. Then add the product images and product gallery image. Add category for the product. Then add the tags for product. Then click Publish. Let's view the product and see all the variations. This is a raglan dual color shirt and raglan pattern, but when I choose solid black shirt it says it is not matching. This is a black color swatch and solid pattern. But when I choose a dual color it shows it is not matched with the solid pattern. Variation swatches works perfectly. I hope you like the walkthrough. Like this video and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.